In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Trello, add a new card, and enrich it with helpful details so your work stays organized and clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello. From the results, click the official Trello website. This will take you to Trello, where you can access your boards. Once you're on your Trello board, look to the left side area where you'll find the option labeled Add a Card. This is the quickest way to capture a new task or idea right where you need it. Click Add a Card, and a small text field will appear for the title. Type a clear, concise name for your task. For example, you might enter Prepare for Team Meeting. Short, action-oriented titles work best because they make the task easy to scan and understand at a glance. If it helps, think in verbs: draft, review, plan, or follow up. When your title looks good, click Add Card to create it. Your new card will appear instantly in the list, ready for more details. The great thing about Trello is that you can always edit your card later, so don't worry if the title isn't perfect right away. Next, click on your card to open it. This brings up the full card view, where you can add context and keep everything in one place. In the description area, write a brief summary of what needs to happen and why it matters. For example, gather updates, blockers, and key discussion points before the scheduled meeting. Bring any necessary files or reports. A well-written description helps teammates understand the scope, keeps you focused, and reduces back-and-forth questions. If you have related documents, you can also attach a file to the card. Click the Attach option and choose a file from your computer or a connected service. Attach agendas, spreadsheets, screenshots, or reference materials, anything that will make execution easier. Keeping files on the card saves time and ensures everyone is looking at the same information. After you add your description and any attachments, click Save. This locks in your changes so they're visible to you and your team. From here, you can continue refining the card anytime. Add comments, adjust details, or move it through your workflow as progress is made. And that's it. You went to Google, searched for Trello, opened the site, added a card, gave it a strong title, edited the card, added a helpful description, attached files, and saved your changes. You now have a clean, actionable Trello card ready to keep your work moving forward.